Good morning, friend. Today start continue the P block elements. Now second points are the physical appearance and density in the P block elements. So previous lecture discussed about the introductory part, general electronic configurations, properties of group 15 elements, and that properties of group 15 elements include uh, electronegativity, atomic and ionic radius, ionization enthalpy, and that's oxidation state. So these are the number of properties discussed about you and the previous lectures. Now today lectures that discuss about the physical appearance and density. So physical appearance and density that include the two points, that is physical appearance, that means the group 15 elements, the state of the group 15 elements, the nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. So these five types of the element, which states are present, that is gaseous, liquid or solid, etc. So which elements are formed and exist as a gaseous state, which elements are exist as a solid state or a liquid state. Why elements are liquid, why elements are gaseous or solid. So that depending upon the number of properties, that is size also, atomic number also, electronegativity, electropositive character, that depend upon those elements are the formations of the number of states, that is solid, liquid or gaseous. So physical appearance that discuss about you the nitrogens. So first elements of the group 15 elements are the nitrogens. So nitrogens are the first element of group 15 elements, and that's why these elements, these groups are the nitrogen family, and that nitrogens are the atomic number 7, that depending upon the atomic number, that electronic configurations. So these elements are the P block, and that's the nitrogens are the properties of nitrogens is small in size due to depending upon the nitrogen's atomic number 7. So small in size, high electronegativity and absence of d orbital. Absence of d orbital means that the electronic configurations of the group first, traits first and second, that depending upon the electronic configurations, absence of the d orbital. That's why nitrogens are the three properties are important: small in size, high electronegativity and absence of the orbital. Due to these reasons, nitrogen's formations of the multiple bond, that means nitrogen formations of the triple bond, N2, N triple bond N. So nitrogen exists as in the gaseous state. So due to this reason, nitrogen exists as a gaseous state as a diatomic molecule like N2. Nitrogen exists as a diatomic molecule N2 with triple covalent bond. Nitrogen exists in the gaseous state as a diatomic molecule, like N2 with triple covalent bond. So these are the first element, nitrogen, and nitrogens are the formations of the multiple bond, that is the triple bond, and the nitrogen exists as a gaseous state in the diatomic molecule, that is N2. So these are the first element of the group 15 elements. So these are the five types: nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. So nitrogens are the exist as a diatomic molecule. Physical appearance. Now another element, that is phosphorus, arsenic and antimony. Phosphorus, arsenic and antimony exist as a tetraatomic molecule. And bismuth exists as a monoatomic metallic solid. So these are the five types of the element, that is physical appearance. So physical appearance, that nitrogen exists as a diatomic molecule, but these are the three elements exist as a tetraatomic molecule. Why nitrogens and other three elements, that is phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, comparisons between nitrogens exist as a diatomic molecule, but three elements are the tetraatomic molecule. Due to reasons that phosphorus, arsenic and antimony are the tetraatomic molecule. Why? Because top to bottom or down the group, atomic number are increases. So atomic number are increases So also changes the properties. Also changes the properties due to formations of the multiple formations of the single bond. Nitrogen's formations of the multiple bond due to small in size, high electronegativity, and absence of the orbital. But these elements are the properties are changes as compared to the nitrogen and phosphorus. Phosphorus are the size is increased due to increase as compared to the comparison to the nitrogen. Also arsenic and antimony number of new cells is added because increase in atomic number. That's why. So these formations of the phosphorus is tetraatomic molecule. Phosphorus is tetraatomic molecule. So these are the structures of phosphorus. Phosphorus is tetraatomic molecule, that is P4, AS4, Sb4. So these are the physical appearance of the another three elements. Now last is bismuth. Bismuth exists as a monoatomic metallic solid. Bismuth exists as monoatomic metallic solid. Monoatomic metallic solid. These bismuth are the monoatomic metallic solid is formed. So these are the physical appearance of the five types of the element, that is nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, and bismuth. So nitrogens depending upon the size, electronic configurations, absence of d orbital, so exist as a diatomic molecule like N2. Another three element, that is phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, these formations of the tetraatomic molecule exist as a tetraatomic molecule due to increase in atomic number or increase in size. So also increase in properties, also changes in properties as compared to the nitrogen. Now another is bismuth. Bismuth has a high atomic size or increase in atomic number, so exists as a monoatomic metallic solid. So these are the physical appearance of the five types of the element, that is nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, and bismuth. Now second, that is density. You know about that density is very well. So density of the group 15 element increases. The density of the group 15 element increases down the group from nitrogen to bismuth. Density of the group 15 elements increases from nitrogen to bismuth. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, and bismuth. So density also concept depending upon the size also. Increase in molecular mass. Increase in atomic number, increase in molecular mass. So top to bottom or down the group, density is increases, because only one concept that clear, that is the increase in atomic number, increase in molecular mass. Increase in molecular mass. So density of group 15 element increases down the group. The density of group 15 elements increases down the group from nitrogen to bismuth. Now first two elements, nitrogen and phosphorus, have comparatively low density. First two elements, nitrogen and phosphorus, comparatively low density, because that size is less as compared to the arsenic, antimony, and bismuth. Also nitrogen and phosphorus are absent in the d orbital. Absent in the d orbital. That's why. So these elements are small size, comparatively high electronegativity as compared to the arsenic, antimony, and bismuth. So nitrogen and phosphorus is the low density. Now nitrogen and phosphorus have comparatively low density. Arsenic and antimony have higher density, while bismuth has the highest density. And arsenic, antimony have higher density, while bismuth has the higher density. So one concept is clear, that from top to bottom or down the group, nitrogen to bismuth, density increases. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, and bismuth. So nitrogen and phosphorus as compared to the other elements, so these are the low density, depending upon the properties, that is absence of d orbital. Repeat. One thing is clear, that the atomic number, atomic size concept is only one depending upon the size and atomic number. So increasing size, decreasing size, also properties are changes. So these are the two points discussed about you: physical appearance and density. Physical appearance means that state which elements are solid, gaseous or liquid. So first appearance, nitrogen exists as a diatomic molecule. Another three element, phosphorus, arsenic and antimony, are the tetraatomic molecule, and bismuth as the monoatomic molecule. And the density from one point is clear. Density from top to bottom, density is increases. Density is increases. So write down. Continue the lectures after short notes. After short notes writing, continue another points.